Hey guys, so today we're gonna give all you a quick little video on how to make this awesome cross-studded sweatshirt. Announcement that we just made 10,000 subscribers. We cannot thank you guys enough. Like, we are so...
And we're back. Okay, we're jumping back in. It has been 4 crazy years.
4 years.
We just wanted to get back on here because we feel like we could really dive back into the creative side. We both decided to stop YouTube for a little bit so that we could go to college and fully enjoy that experience. We both went to 4-year universities. I went to WSU.
And I went to ASU, so Arizona State and Washington are definitely far away. We had to keep up communication on FaceTime and not do college together, which was really sad. But now we are both back in the same state and almost living together, possibly.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to dive back into YouTube because we love it and we missed it so much.
Yeah. I went to WSU and I graduated with my bachelor's in fashion merchandising, and I'm currently working for Nordstrom Corporate in Seattle right now. It is all remote, so everything that I'm learning is a new trial, a new thing, and that's pretty much what I've got going on right now. But since that is such the business side of the industry, I really wanted to find a way to explore my creative outlet otherwise, which is why I was so excited when we both decided that we wanted to do this together again.
And with our experience so young on YouTube, it really made just both of us realize that we do want to go the creative route, and that's what we want to do as a career, and YouTube gave us that when we were so young. So I decided to study film production at Arizona State, and I've wrote, directed, and edited 2 short films, and I loved all of the experiences that I had at ASU. It was the time of my life, and now that I'm doing film as a career, what better way to utilize my skills and my passion for YouTube to come back together and make more content and videos for you guys. But yeah, let's just dive into the video. We wanted to just sit down and talk to you guys, give you guys an update of where we've been for the last 4 years, what we've been doing, and all the craziness in between.
Okay, I don't have anything to say right now.
When I went to ASU, I literally didn't know a single soul, literally knew no one, and decided I wanted to go somewhere out of state. They had a good film program, like sent it, didn't even go to Arizona ever. And it was just really fun to kind of be in a new environment, meeting people. I didn't know much about the Greek life system at ASU, but I decided to rush and I joined Alpha Phi my freshman year, and that experience gave me so many outlets to meeting people from all over. I have friends all on the East Coast, Midwest, Hawaii, everywhere. I met a lot of fun people in the dorms that were film and art people as well, because they all kind of grouped us together like that. So seeing that you went to a college in-state, like, how is that different for you? Because a lot of our friends in high school went to WSU.
Well, it's actually funny that you say that because I feel that not that many people from our high school actually went to WSU, which was honestly nice for me because I did want it to be my own fresh start. The one thing I do notice heavily that differs between like ASU and WSU is that you guys, when you were put into your dorms, you were put into your dorms by your majors, where like we just had whoever applied first gets preference. Like if you have a roommate, you can select your roommate. So my roommate ended up being one of my like childhood friends that I'd grown up with, and we actually had such an amazing experience with that. Really nice to be able to like be with someone who I felt really comfortable with. And then I obviously did sorority recruitment as well. I was a Kappa Delta at WSU, and it was a really fun experience. All right, gonna be honest, our card got full, so I don't really remember what I was saying, so we're just gonna move on. We're just going to talk about freshman year because I actually, for my spring break, I went to visit Marisa over at ASU. And it was a whirlwind. It was a lot of fun.
It was quite a time. Quite a time.
What a time to be alive.
ASU, you know, hot in the sun. There was definitely a lot of pool parties. I, of course, took her to one. The frat that we went to had blow-up floaties, like slides, and like, what are those called? Oh, slip and slides.
Oh, yeah.
the inflatable slip and slide.
They had a pool, they had everything.
And Olivia, my friend Jordan from ASU, she's from Jersey, and she's that Jersey gal. She's my Dina, my meatball.
She's very fun.
And she took Olivia on over to the bar, and what did you guys even drink?
So it was around St. Patty's Day, so they were doing these green like mixed shots, and so we were just going for that for a little bit.
And little did I know, well, I did know that I gave my phone to Jordan, but I shouldn't have given my phone to Jordan because she is the meatball. And so, of course, she goes on to the slip and slide with my phone. Typical, I've gone through probably about 6 or 7 phones.
And I can say about the same
thing at college. Moral of the story, Olivia got to see my dorm life at ASU. I never got to visit her. I feel really bad about it.
Which is also like really hard for us because, I mean, we've been best friends. Like, well, obviously we've had a couple years apart here and there, but like we've known each other since we were 4 and we've always been attached at the hip every single opportunity that we have.
Insert photo of us being attached at the hip when we were 4.
There you go.
Just saying.
We value each other's friendship so much, so it was always really important for us to like stay in touch even though we weren't going to the same college. So like, you know, for any people who are having those moments about me and my best friend, like, we're about to be separated for 4 years. Like, it's gonna be hard.
Yeah, Liv has been literally my best friend throughout everything and just knows me so well. So it was really hard not having her in college with me. And I mean, it was good. I
can say the same.
It was good though because we, you know, yeah, I mean, like in high school we did YouTube together. We had this whole business, and then now, like, taking a step back, like we've had 4 years to kind of have our own crazy adventures, and then now we're coming back. It's so cute.
And so I got back in May from college because that's when I graduated, and you got back a little later because you stayed for a while to like pack our stuff, and we have literally been inseparable since.
Oh my god. Literally, it's like we're back. That's why, like, we're back with degrees now. Like, fashion degree, film production degree.
We've been talking about this forever, just finally getting back together. And, like, we genuinely took our YouTube channel, and if you split it in half of it is film, half of it is fashion and beauty. We both went and got majors in it. So why not just come back, put ourselves back together again, and create?
This is a new journey and a new start
so
to
be
a
patient.
new beginning. But we are so excited to be back and can't wait for what's ahead.
Yeah, and we hope you guys are along for the journey and stick with us because we have a lot to offer you guys, and we're excited to show you what we've learned.
Yep. We don't even know if anyone's gonna be out there to watch this right now, but for the people that are, leave comments down below. We've been gone for 4 years, so it's a lot. Stuff that you want to know, video ideas, just getting back in touch and really just connecting with you guys and YouTube community again.
Yeah, we want to give you guys everything you want and more, so please, like, talk to us because we're here.
We're here. Wow.
See? Insane.
We're really here. And for old time's sake,
bye.